Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today, I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick and easy makeup look. So the things you're gonna need are some wipes, you're gonna need some powder, you're gonna need a beauty blender, you're also gonna need a spoolie, you're also gonna need a big brush, you're also gonna need some lip gloss, some concealer, and a small brush. So let's start. The first thing I'm going to be using are my wipes. I'm going to be using them to clean my face and remove all the germs and dirt and bacteria. Next, I'm going to use my powder and my big brush. I'm going to put my big brush inside the powder. And then I will just rub it around my face, like so. I need to make sure it covers my whole face. Then I'm going to be using this spoolie to just push my eyebrow hairs back like this. Next, I'm going to be using my concealer. I'm just going to put it on my wrist like this. Then I'll use my small brush to dip in the concealer and put it on my nose, my forehead, my cheekbones, my chin, and my philtrum, like this. Then I'll take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend the concealer like this. Just blend it out. Just blend it out like this. Continue blending until it's all blended out. After blending, the last thing I'm gonna be using is my lip gloss. I'm just gonna put my lip gloss on my lips like this. And then I'm just gonna rub it together so that it can even out. And there you go. This is the final look. It's a quick and simple makeup look. So easy to do and it doesn't take too much time. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like the video. And don't forget to share the video. I'll see you all later, you guys. Bye.